What kind of a final do you expect? Is it going to be an open game or a tactical battle? And personally, is it a stimulating clash for you to pit your tactical acumen against that of Carles?
Bueno, yo creo que va a ser un partido donde el aspecto táctico evidentemente es importante, pero sobre todo yo creo que el aspecto motivación.
I think tomorrow the tactics will be important, but there is another factors like motivation and also psychological factors that will be, they will come into stage, and I think will be a matter of how the players, they can handle their feelings for the final.
There are two subplots to this matchup. First is that both the teams have lost the finals on their first attempt. FC Goa lost in 2015, your team last year. And secondly, Sergio believes this is a special clash to come across you, both being Barcelona, former colleagues at Barcelona. And does it feel like a Catalan derby?
Yeah, about finals, I think that it's good for the Indian football that this year we're going to have a new champion. I think that it's good for the supporters, for everything. No? It makes the happiness about football, more global in more parts of the country. And about to play against Sergio, I think that it's something nice for people like us, also like Dimas, that he was Barcelona football player when he was a kid. No? You are living with a kind of philosophy, and he said to me, just do it. You are going to be a good coach. It's a good opportunity for you. I think that you are going to do a good work. So it's nice. It's nice that he was like saying nice things about that, and that now we find each other in the final. It's